I've been with YouTube for 5 years. Bumabalik at bumabalik ako. We started a cafe na dito lang sa bahay na. We have a cat at home. May assistant na si Mami Doc. Magandang gabi.
Welcome to our back channel.
Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog. It's Mommy Doc Michelle and grabe, sobrang tagal since I vlog. And sobrang dami din nangyari sa family namin, but as usual, bumabalik at bumabalik ako with may nag-order. So, I need to pause and do our orders first. Okay? Wait lang. And I'm back again with my previous na mga vlogs here. That was last year. We started a cafe na dito lang sa bahay namin. Tapos for delivery lang siya. And if napapansin nyo, it's a different background because taglipat na kami ng bahay. Lumipat kami, we took a break with our shop kasi syempre nag-a-adjust lahat, change of address, lahat ng yun. But these past weeks, nag-try na kami to catch up and bumalik na kami. Really very excited to share with you with all the updates that happened to our family. If you are still watching with us, I've been with YouTube for 5 years. Honestly, before I started or I planned to go back again sa pag-vlog, pinanood ko yung mga videos namin and nandun talaga yung heart ko to really share our day in the life or week in our life. Kasi number one din kasi nababalikan namin as a family and nag-i-enjoy yung mga kids with that ones. I started my vlog nung pinanganak ko rin si Ellie, si toddler days niya. And there I started, that was pandemic time, na yun nga, nag-share ako, everything is new para sa akin. But yung vlog, yung pag-vlog ko, it really helped me go through it. Yung journey ko, it really warms my heart na, yun nga, nakakapag-look back ako sa mga time na yun. Pero life happens na sometimes hindi talaga ako maka-allot ng time. I'm really excited and hopefully God will provide me the strength, the time, and even the wisdom on how I can do this. This is still part of my passion and I really want to do it for His glory. If it's your first time na nakapunta dito sa vlog ko, I'm a mommy of 3 girls. And I'm also a doctor. Pero yung setup ng doctor ko, I'm working at home. So, bali, yung company ko talaga is from Manila. Nakuha ko pa yan since before pandemic because we stayed in Manila before. But currently, we are here in Bacolod City. So, yung work ko, nakasama ko siya. We've been blessed, especially with my company, na nadala ko siya here sa Bacolod and I'm working from home. Doctor pa rin. I'm a drug safety physician, now a triage physician in a pharma company. My husband, also working from home, is a technical writer. So, makikita niyo siya dito. Si daddy writer namin. I've been sharing many things here sa vlog ko. First, our autism journey with Ate Ellie before, but now kasi talagang naka-catch up na si Ate Ellie namin. Saka wala na, normal school na siya. Yun, ano na lang. And how we can help her as she grows. Meron din akong 4 years old na preschooler and I still have a toddler. May 2-year-old kami ngayon. So, motherhood journey, sometimes mga health, something that I can help with everyone. And also, I also share my faith. I'm a follower of Christ. And very active kami sa church nung husband ko and even our whole family. I also have a small business, a cafe, because of my love with coffee. And nag-training kasi ako with being a barista. So yun, ano ko siya, pinasok ko siya. And here, slowly growing, up and down din. Kasi hindi talaga kami makaset up kasi kailangan ko na ng help if sobrang dami ng orders namin. So, yun siya. I've been rotating all of that and it's already afternoon na and I'm currently working. And once in a while, I have orders, yun, and sometimes taking care of the house. So, binabalance ko yun lahat sila. Sleeping yung kids ko, yung dalawa. Si Ate Ellie namin, hindi pa dumadating from school. Meron kasi kami, bali yung kapag uuwi siya, kumuha kami yung sa school bus nila o sa service nila. Wait lang. I think coming na rin siya sooner or later. And nag-stop na yung rain. Thank you, Lord. Kasi it's been raining this past few days. And ang daming ganap. If you are here in Visayas, you will know na ang daming earthquake na nangyayari. Taga Bacolod ka rin, kakatapos lang ng Mascara festival namin. So, we are going back to the routine, lahat ng yun. Achi, how's school? Good. Did you sleep daw sa car? You slept sa car? Why? Are you very tired? Say hello to our new baby. Say hello to our new baby. It's our baby boy. It's Gray Boy. We have a cat at home. Say hello. Yes. Say hello. Ay. Na-disturbo. Sleeping siya kasi. Kinuha ko siya. Ay, galit. Galit ang baby. Ha? Binalik ko na kasi ayaw niya. Ayaw niya na. Kasi natutulog siya tapos kinuha ko lang siya para lang sa video.
He'll just wear her glasses.
We'll be going out. Yan. Kasi every Monday, meron kaming discipleship group with my, ladies. So, aalis si Mommy. And Achi Ellie will be left here at home with Daddy and her sisters. Achi, do you want me to leave the camera here at home or I'll bring it? Really? Do you know how?
Never mind, you will bring it.
Okay. Cute. Wait lang. I'll finish my work. Kasi patapos naman din. We'll be going na. O, diba? Nag-hire ako cameraman. Ang pangalan niya si? Uli siya. Hindi kayo sasalita, ha? She doesn't want to talk in Tagalog. Okay, it's okay. Hindi will understand naman Ilonggo. Tapos lagay lang ako ng translate ko. Yeah! Diba? May assistant na si Mami Doc. We are going saan tayo punta, girl?
Sa McDo.
Sa McDo. Anong gawin natin sa McDo?
Magsi-session 3.
Yeah. Magdi-discipleship group kami. Si Ria, yung naghahawak ng cam, from our house siya kasi she's currently staying in our house. Ano ko siya? Assistant. Assistant sa shop. Ngayon, assistant na rin sa vlogging. Iti-train daw siya. Iti-train. assignments? I think you have assignment.
Nakakapapos mo ng orders together.
Lenny, okay lang?
Pero kayo wala kang masulat sa kanilaan mo. So,
Say hi.
Hi, Mom. I like my this. I do
Come here. Let's do your assignment.
Hi.
What are you doing? You tell them.
I am Dave. I am Dave. So I'm thankful. I am thankful because I'm good of God.
I'm home. Kakadating lang namin from our D group and the kids. What will you do nga? Why are we here? They will answer their assignment for tomorrow. Hi.
Come on, I lost myself.
You lost yourself.
Never mind.
You did not lose yourself. You're still here lang. You just forget or forgot. Fifi, this is Filipino. Like, magandang umaga po, nanay. You know what's that? What's magandang umaga?
That's it. I don't know.
Good morning.
And this?
Magandang hapon, meaning good afternoon.
Like this is nighttime.
So, magandang gabi po.
Tonight.
Not good night. Good night is if you sleep na. This one, no. Magandang
Magandang
gabi
gabi
po,
po.
mami.
Mommy.
Oh, magandang gabi po, mami.
Oh, and I know.
No, you don't know. You say it again.
Madang go.
No.
Yeah,
10. 7 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 1 is 1. You don't need to put. 1 plus 9 is 10. So 0 here, 1 in the next one.
In here.
Yes. 1. So you add 1 plus 4 plus 2 is 7. Very good!
And 2 and 8 makes 10. What is it? What happened? Okay.
What do you want? You want to eat?
Okay.
Ang batang to, ayaw, hindi marunong mag-yes. Ang gusto niya sabihin, okay. Wait lang. You want to eat cookies? Is this still okay? Are you sure?
Oh, I need to circle them.
You try it first if you will like it.
I want the Coco Crunch.
Oh, you will also want to eat Coco Crunch? Ay.
Ang sarap gamitin sa akin. Ay, hindi ko matulog.
Naglagyan. You're working. You're not playing.
Challenging me.
Nag-stop na ako edit. Kasi yung ibang video, nandito pa. Bali, I started yung kaninang mga videos. And I am already in our room. Kasi nagbabantay lang ako kasi yung shop namin hanggang 11 p.m. siya open. Kasi delivery naman siya, diba? So, it's okay. Tapos, syempre, yung tinitrain ko kasi...
May order, mami.
May order?
Oo. Ga-or.
Yun, may order na. So, I need to go up. Okay.
Si Food Panda, I think.
Yeah, oo nga, may order nga. Wait lang. May order kang. Wait lang. Ito items. May grilled cheese. Kaya mo? Ang grilled cheese. Ang kaginata. Ngagin mo, ang grilled cheese. Go lang. Sige, wait lang. I'm back! Gray, come here! What are you looking? And Gray is here with us. What are you looking, Langga? Come here. What are you doing? Restless siya tuod. Okay, dyan ka nag-room. Dun ka, down there. And si Mommy will freshen up na and also will rest. Tapusin ko lang yung video for this one and I'm really excited na ma-post na siya. And what else? Another day tomorrow. Tomorrow, iba yung setup din namin with the kids. With everything ngayon na nagsuschool na sila and with all our work. Here for this video, I'm just excited to be back and to be able to share naman what is currently happening with our family. Yes, and I think that's for the next video na. Yes. It's time to rest and it's a new day tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And see you in the next one. Bye-bye!